Hello everyone, this is Jordan. This video is being recorded on the late afternoon of Tuesday, July 23rd, 2024. Thank you so much for tuning in. And today, in a shorter than usual video, I'm just going to talk about the gold stocks, and specifically GDX, because it is battling major resistance area as defined by the monthly and quarterly charts. So let's get right into it. So here we have the monthly candle chart for GDX going back to late 2006. At the bottom here, this is GDX divided by gold. Not going to talk about this much, but we can see that this has been performing better, even with the weakness of the last 4 trading days or so. Gold stocks, at least for now, they're holding up. I mean, they were leading and outperforming in recent weeks up to that point. And so we can see that this could be a potential target if the outperformance continues at 0.02. This would be 25% higher. But anyway, this is the main focus of the video, talking about this level in GDX. Again, this is the monthly chart. We closed today just below 3750, so we can call this resistance 3750. And we can see here, I marked with arrows, this was a significant level back here during the secular bull, before it ended really here when it was confirmed. But anyway, so this level, we were able to move above it in 2020, but since then rallied here in 2021, big sell-off here. I think this was the Russian invasion, rally here, didn't close above it. Big bearish reversal this month. So this is holding up as significant resistance. And so we have about, 5 or 6 trading days left. So we'll see if the gold stocks can continue to hold this level, or if we get more of a sell-off. I mean, this level here in the 35s, this is potential support. So we'd love to see this candle just maintain this level and not sell off and close down here. Because as it stands now, this is clearly engulfing the previous candles and would be closing well above this area in the mid 35s. Aside from that, you have strong support here around 33. So you had one try here, second try failed again. Looks like for now we can call this a failure, and I doubt it closes above 3750 this month. Hope I'm wrong. And so who knows after that? It could blast through in the next month, or it could take a couple more months, depending on what's happening with potential rate cuts, yield curve steepening. But a measured upside target, potentially, you can measure this down 21 up to almost 38, 37, 16, 17 points. If you mark that up, that's getting pretty close to this resistance here, which, call it 56, 55. So if you get a clean, strong break, some real strong candles above this line, this won't be that much resistance. And so, again, it's potential measured move up here. And it's a little bit similar how this played out from 2013 to 2019. The big move up, and then it took 2-3 years to get back here. And so this measured upside move, 28 and 16. So plus 12 points gets you to 40. And GDX just topped a little bit above 40. We're not saying it's exactly similar, but this is what we're looking at here. If you get a strong move, a strong close above this resistance, that brings into play a potential measured upside target to these highs. Now, as far as GDX divided by gold, 25% advance from here takes you up to 0.02. So could that be, if the stocks are really outperforming, maybe that's 2720 or 2750. That would get you to 55. So that's a potential target. And look at the quarterly chart here. We can see that this is quarterly resistance. So that would mean the end of September. And so this is going to be in play. Quarterly resistance, 3750. And we're only in the first month of the quarter, which is not done yet. So keep an eye on this. Extremely significant on the quarterly chart. Also significant on the monthly chart as well. So that's the whole point of this video, is that at least in recent weeks, the strong advanced decline line for gold stocks have starting to outperform gold. So if this move continues, obviously there's a little correction right now, but if we get yield curve steepening, we get a rate cut in September, which looks like another rate cut, then the odds of this closing above 37.50 very high and going to 55, 56, who knows, maybe by the end of the year, early next year. So we'll keep that in mind. If you haven't already, check out our premium service. Go to thedailygold.com/premium. Would love to have you leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And I'll talk to you guys again in the next video. Thank you for tuning in.